people, hello world. This one is opening its eyes a little. Oh my god, oh my god. How are you, sweetheart? How is life? What do you want to see with the world of the world? How cute are you? Tell me.
Hero is fighting an ant colony.
Oh Grace, Ayush, be careful.
He's winning bro, don't worry.
But take my phone and do a recording. This one has opened her eyes. Have all of them opened their eyes, Ayush?
Only this guy and this guy have opened.
We are not even sure if they are guy or girl or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's just so sweet. It wants to stay on my lap. I also want to keep it. It's Ayush is trying to lick me. Basically, it's hungry, I think. Thank you, sweetheart. It wants to stay on my lap. I am so impressed by it. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you.